So I met Dr. Andre in 2012, and he brought me under his wing, and we started together in 2013. I just knew I was in the right place. I knew I was learning from someone who really knew what they were doing, and someone that really focused on quality and taking care of their patients and treating them like part of the family. And that's kind of what made me feel so comfortable here and what made me want to stay and grow over the years. Everybody here is like family, and I know that's cliche to say, but we really are. We look for certain qualities in our staff and employees, and we also are all on the same page when it comes to what patients are in for the day. We go over all of the patients every morning. We give family updates. Like if somebody has a family member that's sick, we're like, oh, their daughter is sick, and we bring it up. So this is only my second job. And as soon as I was comfortable here, I knew that I didn't want to be anywhere else. The biggest thing is our employees are so well loved that once they start working here, they never want to leave. We have long-term employees. They're happy. They love coming to work every day. And sometimes it's there are dark days, outside it's raining, it's snowing, nobody wants to come in, but we get here and we'll take care of you. And it's like a family atmosphere. And that's something that we really pride ourselves on here. And to give someone a good evaluation, give them multiple options for their treatment. And most importantly, we feel like we don't want to sell any type of treatment. We're not here to try to sell dentistry. We're here to provide quality of care to our patients, and that's really important. And when we're making recommendations for treatments, it's going to be an honest recommendation and not something that we're trying to sell to you. I think our job as practitioners is to be honest with treatment recommendations. The thing that makes Silver Lake Dental different is we are all about honesty in treatment and quality of treatment. I'm going to see you, I'm going to evaluate you, and I'm going to tell you what I think you need, and I'm not going to tell you anything that you don't need. And I think in this current dental landscape, that's really important. We want to provide care without the pressure to make a sale. We really want patients to feel like they're part of Silver Lake Dental, and we want them to feel like they're part of our family. We care so much about our patients. We care about their families. We care about their kids. We have multiple generations of families in the practice. We traditionally have not advertised. Most of our referral base is word of mouth referral, direct referrals from existing patients and from family members of patients. And when a new patient comes in, a lot of times we already have that warm feeling with them because we know their aunts, their uncles, or their friends, or their old acquaintance from high school that they saw at a party, and they come here. And, we just want to keep growing the family tree, so to speak. Quality care, honest care, and just treating patients how we would like to be treated ourselves.